Papi, guess what? Oh, okay, let's see. Right here. There we go. Okay, Papi, guess what? Grandma Mickey got you some presents. Yeah, because it's your birthday. Come here. You want to see? Here's one of them. Papi, mira. Take it out. Take it out. Whoa, what is it? Oh, wow, wow, you're excited. What is it, Papi? Look. It's monkeys. Oh, look at the monkeys. 5 little monkeys. Do you want it? Do you want Mama to open it for you? They're monkeys. They go, ooh, ooh, ah, 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 ah. They go, ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Here, I'll open it for you. Ah. Oh my gosh. Come here. Oh, yes. Woohoo. Here. What else? Look. Here. Look. It's a book. And it's also called 5 Little Monkeys. You want to read it? Beautiful book. And you read it, I think, with the finger puppet. Here, look. Tear this up. Yeah, pull it in. Oi. Puppy, here. You can help. Which one do you want? There's 5 of them in there. Take one out. Look. Which one do you want? Take them out. Here, you can have the blue one. Look. Oh. Wait. These are 5 cute little monkeys. You want another one? Here. You can hold your own. Here. There's a girl with a blue dress. That one's wearing green. He looks Hawaiian. You like that blue one, huh? And what else? There's one more bag. Here. Oh, I can't see what it is. There is some. I can't see, puppy. Ooh, some toothpaste. Show it to the camera. And Grandma Mickey, I think you messed up a little bit. I don't think Cindy can wear these. Well, he could. Yeah. Well, she seems to love them. We got them too. But they're kind of colorful. Wow, I guess he loves them. Oh, okay. Say, thank you, Grandma Mickey. Say, thank you, Grandma Mickey. Say, thank you so much for the present. Careful with the book, puppy. And the monkeys are adorable. They're super adorbs. But this little naked guy is... Look! They have Velcro. I wonder if I can just stick it on his butt. Oh, he has monkeys on his butt! Oh, look at his little monkey butt. Literally. Can you see his butt? Oh, yeah, look at that butt. Okay, bye. Say thank you. Thank you for the birthday present, Grandma. Yeah, Grandma. Grandma. Say thank you for the birthday present, Grandma. Yeah? Grandma? Okay, bye. Yeah. Oh, now you're having fun with them. Yeah? The little monkeys. They go. How exciting. We're going to put this book away though because the pages, these are paper pages. And paper pages you can break. Look at all the numbers. Hi. Okay, say bye everybody. Yeah, that's not for everybody. Oh. Oh my. You okay? Can you breathe? Do you need air? There. Are you breathing now? Oh, there. I saved them. Come here. Easy. You looking at yourself in the camera? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. Look at him count.